Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, roof rails, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.